Advanced Fees is an app that's available on all Clover devices, and it enables merchants to set up all kinds of different fees that would automatically or based on the question trigger during checkout. So let me demonstrate. First, we're going to set up a fee that gets triggered specifically on the item. Say we're doing a bottle fee, the amount of 35 cents, and we are triggering this on an item, but not on all items. We're going to go ahead and assign a few. We're going to grab, let's say, our Coke and our Pepsi. Here's Pepsi and Soda Pop. That's good. So these two items will be charged 35 cents fee when they're bought, and we can do this either on the item added or on a payment screen. So let me first choose item added, and then we're going to have this fee always conditional based on the question or conditional on total spend. So in this case, it makes more sense to use an always. So that's what we have. Now let us go and try this fee. We're going to open the register app, and we're going to look for our soda pop. There's the soda pop, and the fee goes along with it right away. And if we add Coke, no, actually it was Pepsi, right? Pepsi also gets a fee. Any other item? Well, even that one does not. And so that's an item level fee that we can set up. That's one. Now let's configure a order level fee and see how that works. Another wonderful feature of advanced fees is that it can stack fees. So while you have this one set up, you can continue adding more. And so this one is going to be an event day, right? So like, let's say we have concerts. There, we got it set up as a concert day. Let's say that this fee is a percentage, and we're doing 15%, all right? And this right here is going to be a fee that we will set up via order service fee, and I will explain and show you where that shows up. And we also want this on the item added, or we can have it on a payment screen, doesn't matter. I'll show you the difference in a minute as well. And then we'll have this fee always or based on the question. So we'll go ahead and go with always for now. So now we have two fees, bottle fee that gets triggered on two different items, and we have a large party fee that gets triggered on the entire order. So let's go ahead and give this a try. We can go ahead and save this order to start a new one. And we're going to look for our soda pop. All right, there's the soda pop, and the fee got triggered, right? And then if we just grab something from dessert, like an ice cream, you can see that that fee is also triggering, but even on a soda pop, it triggered. It's right there, large party fee, 18%, $3.54. So this right here is a very special place for a fee in the Clover world. First of all, it's outside of the tax line. It has its own reporting section, this fee here. And so that's a service fee is what we call it. And you can use this to put, you can have the fee set up and put it there like that. If you are looking at this and it's disabled, right, like mine is, it's because this fee right here, it just so happens that I have the same one, but this fee right here is it's set up in setup. Let me show you. If we go to setup, and if we go to additional charges, this is where it is. And if I change it here, let's say I make it 25%, like that, it will get changed here as well. Which 25%. If I save now, it's 25%. So that's the special place for the service fee. If you want to edit it, when you're using the service fee, you want to edit it in a setup. Okay, and so that's another fee that we've just set up. So let's do another order level fee. Say that somebody is using this fee as a concert day or a large party fee, right? Yeah, so we set up like a concert day, but it defaulted to large party because that's what I had in the setup. But let's say that we also have a mandatory service charge, right? Like this. All right, so we have this service charge and we're trying to stack it as an order fee, but it's not letting us because that one is already being used. So we can just use this one right here, order via custom item. And don't let the word custom item confuse you. And then also when you're using this via order fee, you have an additional option, which is fee is taxed or fee is not taxed, right? So we can go ahead and that fee is taxed or fee is not taxed, doesn't matter. And then we can just have this on the item added and the fee is always. So another fee, but we forgot to mention the percentage. So let's say 50%, like this. Right, I'm making these bigger numbers so that we can visually see the change real quick. All right, so now we have these three fees: bottle fee, large party fee, and a mandatory service charge. And all of them are triggering on order. We're gonna go ahead and save this. So first we're gonna grab our Pepsi, right? Let's go Pepsi. And that gives us our bottle fee, mandatory service charge, and a large party fee right there. And then if we just grab a dessert like ice cream, that changes the mandatory service charge. It changes the large party fee, but it does not add bottle fee. Okay, so that's three fees working all at once. And the setting on the advanced, on the setting on the advanced fees, if you go to the menu, and if you go to the duplication stacking, it tells you to always apply all triggered fees. So if we change to do not allow fee stacking like this, then it's going to force us to choose between these three fees during checkout. Let me demonstrate. So I'm going to back to the register. All right, so we're going to go ahead and save this order. We're going to grab our Pepsi. And as soon as we grab our Pepsi, it needs to ask us, what do you want to do? Do you want to select this fee, that fee, or this fee? And you can only pick one because we're not allowing stacking. So we can go ahead and go with the mandatory service charge. And so bottle fee doesn't get triggered, mandatory service charge did get triggered, and this fee did not. So now it will continue to work that fee for all the other items, like so. And even if you choose, look, 5:30. And so then say then you're here, right? And you're like, oh, you know what? I don't want this fee. We're not going to do this. So there's the fee. The fee is gone. And now we're going to pay screen. And now you're saying, oh, wait a minute. We actually do need a fee. So you can go back here, but that wouldn't change anything because what you're doing. So there's this button that says apply fees. And you can just apply the fee back. And there it is, it's back. Okay, so when you are on a payment screen, there is a button that says apply fees, and it will let you modify whatever you have. Yeah. Okay, and then also let's take a look at advanced fees. All right, so we're gonna go to the duplication stacking, and we're gonna change it to prompt me to select. Now, this option is going to give us a choice between any one of those three fees, but it won't force us to pick one. It would let us choose multiple. So we would say Pepsi, right? And it would say, which fee do you want? I'm gonna say, all right, I wanted that large party fee and this one. And there it is, the large party fee and the bottle fee. So if we do soda pop, that should also give us the fee, right? And it's going to ask us which fee do you want to apply. So I'm just gonna say yes, I'm still applying that. But at that point, it should have given the fee. Let's try again. Soda pop. Okay. All right, so but still we can go here, apply fees, Oh, and we have to choose this, I see.